Hi guys, welcome to the short video about the problem of Google Ads overspending my daily budget limit and monthly budget limit. So this is about my experience and what Google is saying and what we maybe can do about that. So if you are not seeing this picture very clear and totally blurred, this is not a problem with your screen or settings or whatsoever. Of course, this is just my easiest way to prevent that anybody is able to see all the details of my campaign, which I don't want actually, but it doesn't matter about the video. You don't have to see the details. I will explain and talk about everything, so there's no need to see all the details. Anyway, but you still get a little bit of impression about that, but probably if you're watching this, you're an expert anyway on Google Ads, so no need to explain how this page works. Here I am on the Google Ads page. Here I have the overview of all campaigns, everything, and here you can see this is my cost in red. It shows $33.80 for the last 30 days. I have a budget when we go to campaigns, and here you see my only green campaign means my only active campaign, and I had set $1 daily limit for the whole time. I had this since couple of months. I haven't changed anything, so 30 times $1 means should be a limit of $30 easily. When we go back to the overview, we can see that daily spending is going up and down extremely. Here we have a low of only 26 cents, and on the next day we have $1.77. And I was talking to a Google rep, and I was telling him, hey, I have actually a daily spending limit of $1. How can it be that you spend $1.77 of my budget? And he says, yeah, okay, that can happen. We see even more here. We have $2. I think I've even seen more than $2. He told me, yeah, this will level out on a monthly base. So you should never see like 30 times the daily limit. And here it's almost perfectly. You can see 26 cents plus $1.77 makes a little bit more than $2, and then it goes down again. So here around this area probably it would be on average below $1, but we had a lot of peaks. We had a lot of $2 peaks, and then didn't drop a lot below $1. And so at the end of the month I was exceeding, or Google Ads was exceeding actually my budget by about 10%. 30 times $1 makes $30, and 33 is about 10% too much. It doesn't hurt me extremely. It's $3. I can handle that even when I'm a little bit on a budget, but still 10% is a lot. If you have a large budget, let's say you're running an ads campaign for a client and they want to spend 10 millions, and if Google exceeds by 10%, that would be 1 million too much. How would you explain, how are you going to explain this to your customer, that he has now to pay 11 million instead of 10 million? So that's 1 million. Who is going to pay that if they have a budget? Maybe, here in my example it is 10%. Who guarantees that it's only 10%? Maybe it will be 20% or 30%. So, and that could be 2 millions, 3 millions, whatsoever. So I will definitely have to talk again to a Google rep and ask him, how can that be, and how are they going to handle that in the future, and how can we prevent that? And I will definitely let you know about my discussions and how it will continue in the future. I will put everything in the feedback area. And I mean, it would be also really interesting to learn from you. What's your experience? Have you been experiencing same problems? Has Google Ads been overshooting your budget by 10%, 20%, 30%, or whatsoever? How did you handle that? What did you do? I mean, my first thing what I did, I went to campaigns, and then my only campaign, and I went here to the budget, and I went to $0.8 a day, which you can do. It's a little bit strange. You have to usually repeat or go first to day, because it can be dangerous. So don't start changing the amount and then the day, start with the day, and then, or I mean day or months. So here, this is what I did, but I was not really happy. I mean, I didn't see a huge change. So now what I did, I changed it to monthly and just say $30 and saved it. So I'm going back, it's $30 anyway now. So I will leave it like this at $30 a month for a couple of weeks or months, and then we'll see how it develops, if they are still overshooting or not, and I will talk to them and we'll see how this continues. So that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.